Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong number for n-digit number in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 56. Armstrong number for 3-digit number in C sharp. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is Armstrong number? Here we have a number 153. We need to get individual digits like 1, 5, 3. Later we need to sum of cubes of individual digits like 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. Here 153 is Armstrong number. Here we have other number 1634. We need to get individual digits like 1, 6, 3, 4. Later we need to quadruple each digit like 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. If you want to get individual digits, then we need to use modulus and division operator. Here we have input number 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder as 3. In second iteration, take 15 and divide by 10. 15 divided by 10, quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. In third iteration, take 1. 1 divided by 10, quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits like 3, 5, 1. Later we need to cube individual digits and sum the values. We will discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C# application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt. Console dot write please provide input number. Declare a variable to store input value. Int input equal to int dot parse of console dot readline. Here readline method returning string, but we are trying to store it in integer, so we need to convert string to integer using parse method. Declare variables double result equal to 0. Declare count variable int count equal to 0. We need to use for loop to get individual digits. For int temp equal to input, temp not equal to 0, count plus plus. Here we are assigning input value into temporary variable. Later we are checking temporary not equal to 0. Here temp equal to temp divided by 10. Here we are using division operator to get count of individual digits. Later we need to declare one more for loop to calculate sum of power of individual digits. For int temp equal to input, temp not equal to 0, temp equal to temp divided by 10, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to math dot power. Here we need to find power of individual digits. So here we are using math dot power method. This method taking two parameters. Those parameters are double and returning double. Here remainder comma count. Here we are passing integer values, but this method accepts double. Double is 64-bit and integers are 32-bit. It will convert integer to double implicitly. So no need to convert. If input equal to result console dot write line. Here 0 placeholder is Armstrong number, comma input. Copy this statement, else paste here. Here 0 is not Armstrong number. Execute this code. Control F5. 153. 153 is Armstrong number. Control F5. 123. 123 is not Armstrong number. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to debug. Click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. F11. Read input. Here 153. Enter. Result is equal to 0. Count is equal to 0. Input is equal to 153. 153 assigned to temporary variable. Temp is equal to 153. Here we are checking condition like 153 not equal to 0. True. Here temp is equal to 153. 153 divided by 10. If you put cursor on division operator, we will get 15. This is quotient. F11. Here temp is equal to 15. So count is equal to 0. It will increment one value. Count is equal to 1. That means now we got one digit. Here 15 not equal to 0. 15 divided by 10. Here 1. So into temporary variable. Here temp is equal to 1. Count increment 1. Now 2 digits. Temp is equal to 1. 1 not equal to 0. True. 1 divided by 10. Here 0. Temp is equal to 0. Increment count. Count is equal to 3. That means that number contains 3 digits. 0 not equal to 0. This condition false. It exits from for loop. Later, input is equal to 153. 153 assigned to temporary variable. Temp is equal to 153. 153 not equal to 0. True. Here, 153 modulus 10. We'll get 3 as remainder. Store it to remainder. Here, remainder is equal to 3. Now we are using math.power function. Math.power of 3 comma count 3. That means 3 cube. The result is equal to 27. F11. The temp is equal to 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15. 15 not equal to 0. True. Later 15 modulus 10 will get remainder as 5. Here remainder 5. Math.power of 5 comma 3. That means 5 cube. 5 cube means 125. 27 plus 125 will get 152. Now temp is equal to 15. 15 divided by 10 will get 1. 1 not equal to 0. True. Here 1. 1 modulus 10. Remainder is equal to 1. Here 1 comma 3. That means 1 cube. Here 152 plus 1. 153. 1 divided by 10. 0. 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from for loop. Now input is equal to 153. Result is equal to 153. 153 equal to 153. True. 153 is Armstrong number. Here we have output like 153 is Armstrong number. Now we have checked for 3-digit number. Now we will check for 4-digit number. Control F5. 1634. Enter. 1634 is Armstrong number. Control F5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5-digit number. Enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not Armstrong number. Here we execute this program using for loop, but you can try with while loop and check what is the output. This logic will be used to find any number is Armstrong number or not. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.